Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're going to drill through an asphalt curb.
There used to be a pop-up emitter on the other side of this asphalt curb. We've dug that line up and we're going to actually put a piece of PVC and core through the asphalt curb. You know, asphalt's a little different than concrete. As it gets hot, when we send that diamond core bit down through there, it heats up and that asphalt gets a little sticky. But we'll still be able to get through here. And it's something that you guys can easily do yourself and really get more fall, gain more fall on your line and make it look so much better. Asphalt gets sticky and you can see how much work it is. Just tap it. We've got to get that out of the core, that piece of asphalt, so we can get further into the curb. This is something that you guys can do and it will make it look so much better and you'll gain so much more fall on your line. This is a Bosch Hammer drill with a 3.5-inch bit, and we're going to replace a piece of that French drain with PVC as it comes out here through the curb. Sometimes you need to use a pry bar just to kind of clean out that hole a little bit. You'll see that it just helps kind of get that sticky asphalt loose from the sides of that core. Once we've got that, you'll see this is going to break right through the other side. Perfect hole. And we'll slide a new piece of PVC and connect that to the old French drain on the other side. You can see here it comes through the asphalt. It looks just like concrete, but it is a little different. Remember, it is sticky and it's a little tougher, but not that bad. Perfect hole coming right through. Now we'll go ahead and insert a piece of PVC right through that hole and it'll come straight out to the street. And we gained about 4.5 inches by removing the pop-up and letting it come straight out through the curb. Remember that pop-up emitters work great, but if you can bring that water directly out through the curb, you are much better off. It will work much better. You'll gain more fall, all the above. So we're going to go ahead and connect our PVC to the old corrugated. You can see it's connected and we're going right out through the curb. What a perfect install and a perfect curb hole. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.